Hello students, today we are going to do one activity in science and it is related to heartbeat and pulse. So whatever we have learned up till now, we will revise them in certain activities in worksheet form. So today our topic will be heartbeat and pulse and we will do an activity based on it. So let me show you an activity. I will just send you a pic of it through WhatsApp. Just check it out. It's this one activity. Okay. So over here I have made a chart wherein I have written 5 friends' name and their pulse rate. Fine. So here's Marcus, Qui, Clara, Martha, Tabo and their pulse rate is recorded. So like we measure our weight in kilograms, yes, it's 68 kg or 60 kg, and we calculate milk in liters, like it's 5 liters, yes. So what is the unit that is used for pulse rate? So unit used for pulse rate is beats per minute because it is calculated in minutes. So unit that we use to calculate pulse rate is beats per minute. Okay. So the after you discussing the units, let's take out the average of these all the pulse rate. So why we are taking out the average, so that after that we can decide which one is odd one out in this and which one is fine enough. So we will take out the average, and from average I means in maths you must have done how to calculate mean or an average. So what's the formula you use for calculating mean or an average? It's addition of all the number of observation upon number of observation. Yes. So what is an addition of all these terms, all these numbers? So what we are going to do? We are going to add all of them, total of these, sum of observation upon number of observation. So over here how many numbers are there? Number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of observation means how many names are there? 5. So if you will add them, it will be around 465 by 5. So 9, 1 carry 3. So it's 93 beats per minute over here. So we have calculated a mean or an average of all the pulse rate, which is coming as 93 beats per minute. So after doing this, calculating the average of all the pulse rate, can you tell what pattern you can observe in this particular chart? From the pattern I want to ask you what pattern you can see. Like which numbers are more nearer to 93, which are far away, which are more higher than this. So if you see, it is mostly related to 90 and above. Yes, the pulse rate are more 90 or above 90. See, 1, 2, 3 observation if you will see are 90 or above 90 and rest 2 are in 80s. Yes. So our next question is, okay, which is the odd one out? In this particular, my next question is, which pulse rate is odd one out in this particular activity? Look at it, observe it. It is QE1, this one. Why it is odd one out? Because it is even crossing the average pulse rate in the group. Yes, it is 110. So what reason we have discussed why our pulse rate or heartbeat is higher? Why? When, in which condition it gets higher? When we do certain physical activity, when we run or exercise, or when we are scared. Yes, in those some of the reasons in which our pulse rate gets high. Yes, so maybe Kui was doing exercise, maybe she was doing any physical activity at which time it was being calculated for her. Yes, so how can you say that it is not because of any illness or because of any exercise, or it's a normal pulse rate for Kui? How can you find out this? So it's simple. If this pulse rate is calculated while exercising and rest are calculated for others when they are in rest motion, yes. So calculate the Kui pulse rate when she is not performing any exercise or doing any physical activity. If you will calculate the pulse rate for Kui at that time, they will come to know that it is a normal pulse rate or not for her. Okay, so I am sending you the pic of this particular activity. Read the questions which are given over here, try to solve them, and if you have any problem, ask me. Okay, thank you.